In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the Brayton Seventh-day Adventist Church in Portmore, St. Catherine extends a kind gesture to shut-ins and the needy within the community.
A ray of hope.
Help us, Lord, that as we share and to prepare meals, that it will touch a life and lead someone closer to you.
Welcome to the Brayton Seventh-day Adventist Church. My name is Dawn Blackwood and I am the Community Services Leader here at Brayton. It is the church's initiative to prepare food for the needy and our shut-ins, and we do this usually on a Wednesday and on a Saturday. This is going on for over 15 years. We do needs assessment and we realize that the community and even our shut-ins, they are in need like of a hot meal. We serve the community of Reedspen, Greater Portmore and Brayton. We serve over 100 meals on a Wednesday, and like on a Saturday we serve over 150. The church funds it and we have like sponsors. On a Sunday we have an outreach activity where we go and we visit the shut-ins, we bathe, we comb here, and we have like a prayer session with them. Some of them, they are diabetic, find out the level of their blood sugar. We check out their blood pressure and find out if it's normal. As Seventh-day Adventists, we practice a healthy lifestyle diet. And when you practice a healthy lifestyle, you live longer. Whether rain or shine, we ensure that they receive their meal. One day, it was late, we had a challenge for the meals to reach them. And as soon as we reached there, I heard one person say, "Oh, tell you, they are coming." So that means they have a lot of faith in us and they are relying on the meal. We know them very well. We label the food as not to cause any confusion. The community itself, they are excited about what we are doing, because even some of their family members, they are not able to do what they could do for their family. And because of what we are doing, they are so impressed and they encourage us to continue. It enriches my spiritual life and it's a joy to serve. I do it with all my heart and I love it. I have never felt this way in all my life. We will continue by God's grace to do what we can. We are encouraging persons to come and join with this caring band. Come and lend a helping hand.
A ray of hope.